Here's a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. I'm going to show you how to use the wireless power sharing feature so you can charge other devices, okay? And I'm going to show you what I have here, what charges and what doesn't. So first thing is we need to go ahead and enable this, okay? So we need to go to settings, and then from here you want to keep scrolling down till you see battery and device care. Tap on that. And now you see battery up here, okay? Now just tap on where it says battery, right there. Now we're going to scroll down until you see wireless power sharing. Tap on that, and you can go ahead and read through this down here. Also, there's a battery limit here, and you can change that, whatnot, okay? So anyway, let's go ahead and toggle it on. It's off right now. It's on right now, ready to charge. Now we're going to charge it on here. Here's some Samsung Buds. Yep, it's charging. I know it's charging because I can see that red light down there. How about Apple AirPods? Okay, these has wireless capability, charging capabilities. See if that charges. So this charges as well. You got to kind of find a sweet spot. I think the sweet spot's around here. So you can see the Apple AirPods are charging with that little orange light. How about the Google Pixel Fold here? Fold against fold. So like I said, you need to find a sweet spot. And this is like a large phone, this Google Pixel Fold. So what I got to do is, you got the camera hitting this here, so let me put it on this side here. If I put it on that side there, it works. Also take note that it doesn't fast wirelessly charge, it's just standard charging, okay? Anyway, I can see this charging my Google Pixel Fold here. How about an iPhone 13? This one has a case. I think it turned off. Let's see. Okay, it's still on. iPhone 13 with the case. Gotta find that sweet spot. So same with this iPhone 13, you kind of have to, you gotta find the sweet spot here. Okay, there we go. So it's charging now. How about the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus with the case here? See how this one goes. Let me put it the same way I had the iPhone. Okay, so that still charges. How about a Samsung Galaxy Watch 5? Yep, charging. How about a Apple Watch? I think this is a Series 4 here. No, it will not charge an Apple Watch, okay? How about a Samsung Galaxy S20? Try to get a sweet spot on here. Okay, there we go. Anyway, there you guys go. Any questions or issues, just comment below, okay? Good luck, guys.